Hi everybody, my name is Tommy Cuevas, your personal cloud engineer here at Velosio, and today I'm going to be talking about SharePoint. But more importantly, I'm going to be talking about the preconceived notions of SharePoint that I hear from customers, and how we eliminate some of their concerns when it comes to migrating over to SharePoint as either a collaboration or a file system. So one of the major things that I hear about SharePoint is design. It's very hard to design sites within SharePoint. Well, that is a little bit more for the old traditional SharePoint on-premise systems. Now with SharePoint Online, it's way easier to create and manage SharePoint sites than ever. So Microsoft gives you tons of templates to spring off of when it comes to designing your SharePoint sites. There's everything from HR sites to communication sites, but you can always customize it to make it your own. Not only that, but with their new drag and drop system, it's very easy to add web parts, calendars, Twitter feeds, YouTube channel links directly within your SharePoint sites. One of the other concerns that I hear quite often is security. It's very hard to keep up with security within SharePoint. Well, at Velosio, we help with that strategy. What we do is we create security groups within your Active Directory. And instead of assigning individual permissions on sites that are hard to manage, we help create a management system directed within Active Directory. This way it makes it easier to change people's security settings in SharePoint. Say for instance, you have somebody moving from IT to accounting, right? What we do is we work with Microsoft's Active Directory's dynamic security groups. This way, when you go ahead and change the department in AD from IT to accounting, it automatically changes out the security groups that they're members of and will automatically change those settings within SharePoint. This way you don't have to hunt and search to see within SharePoint what people have access to. The other thing that I hear about SharePoint is that it's very hard to find information in SharePoint. That's where the design and UI really come into play. We help organizations set up what's called a hub and spoke environment, where we help create a main landing page for your organization, allowing for a one-stop shop for all the information that your end users need, either internally or externally. Then we create the spokes, which would be like departmental sites, like HR, IT, marketing, accounting, things along those lines. This way, you go from your main site with generalized information about the organization to a drill down of departmental sites. So say for instance, I need to know about our new IT policy. I know it's going to be in the IT SharePoint site. Then if I'm looking for new letterhead or new PowerPoint presentations, I know that marketing takes care of that, so I can find that information directly within marketing. But it goes beyond that. Normally when people design SharePoint sites, they take their documents, put it into a document library, and that's where they sit, making it hard to find information, especially information that people use on a regular daily basis. We help design links directly to those documents, whether you just want a link tree or you want to go ahead and put photos behind it to help people find that information quickly. We help design that as well. And what we find as soon as we start implementing that and showing people how to use it, people no longer ask IT for information, or they don't ask HR for information or links to healthcare and things along those lines. They just know automatically to go directly to either the IT site or the HR site. My name is Tommy Cuevas, your personal cloud engineer here at Velosio. If you have any more questions about SharePoint, please feel free to reach out here at Velosio. And thank you for watching this video.